Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Dans cette leçon, nous allons donc voir ensemble la grammaire française. Hi everyone, today I'm gonna coach you guys French grammar. Mbote na bandeko nyonso boza kolanda ngai, lelo na kotangisa bino la grammaire française. Alors, naza pona aider bino sozo comprendre te, tindilanga message na sa nyonso pona aider bino. Guys, it's my job. You don't get it? Send me the message. I'm gonna try my best as I can to help you guys. Okay. So here we have le verbe such as manger, écouter, parler, regarder, aimer, téléphoner. So in French we have three type. We have like the groups of verb. We have le verbe du premier groupe, le verbe du deuxième groupe et le verbe du troisième groupe. These one, when I put here, I write here, these are the verb of le verbe du premier groupe. Why? Because the end of the le verbe such as manger, écouter, parler, regarder, aimer, téléphoner. So the end of it, when you look at la terminaison, this end with AR. One, this one, okay? Manger, écouter, manger, écouter, parler, regarder, aimer, téléphoner. Ça, ce sont des verbes du premier groupe. On a aussi les verbes comme danser, ok? So, mon verbe ou est verbe ya premier, verbe ya premier groupe. Manger, écouter, parler, regarder, aimer, téléphoner, danser. C'est ça, verbe moya, premier groupe. Verbe ndeti apprendre, dormir, mourir. On est ça, verbe ya troisième groupe. On a peine un verbe le rôle finir. On est ça, verbe ya deuxième groupe. Alors, mais malembe. So guys, I'm gonna go through you guys step by step. Okay, So I want to cover this part quickly, because some of you guys struggle with this. Okay, so we have je, tu, il, on, nous, vous, il, elle. Okay, so we have je, tu, il, on, nous, vous, il, elle. These one are the pronoun sujet, subject pronoun. Okay, so the main reason we use the subject pronoun, instead of you guys repeating the noun, we can replace the noun to the subject pronoun. Okay. So we also sometimes we have here elle. Here we have elle. Okay, the female. Okay. So you're gonna see when we you watch the other video. In case if you didn't watch it, please watch it. You're gonna see I was talking about explain to you guys about radical terminaison. So for example, verbe parler. Parler. This part is terminaison. This part is radical. So, for example, if I say je parle. Hein? Parle. This part is radical. So, AR is terminaison. Now, when you conjugate, that's why you see I put here le verbe parler, regarder, manger, écouter et téléphoner au présent de l'indicatif. We're going to use this in present tense. Now, when you use the present tense, we use this, the terminaison, this one. So here we have tu. Here we have il. Here we have elle. Here we have on. Here we have nous. Here we have vous. Here we have il. And here we have elle. Okay? Now, these one are the radical. So I'm just gonna write the radical here. Okay? I'm just gonna write the radical. Okay? Okay? So all this part is the radical. Now we're gonna add the the terminaison. So je parle. The terminaison for that is this. A. We write right here. Now tu pars. Terminaison is this. Es. And then elle parle. This one, three, is this. Il parle. Elle parle. The same thing. On parle. The same thing. Nous parlons. We use this. Hein? Nous parlons. Vous parlez. We use this. Hein? Vous parlez. Il parle. Elle parle. That's the terminaison. So if you see, you're gonna see, sometimes you're gonna say I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're gonna see when I some of my when you look at the pronoun and the terminaison, sometimes you're gonna see I write it by number 1, 2, 3. I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't get it confused because I want you guys to see it. So see. So you're gonna see here we have this is the one I'm talking about. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Why I write like this number? Why? There's a reason. The main reason I write this number, if I go back with you guys. So we have pronoun. We have je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. So the main reason I put those numbers, in case you don't get it, because when you come here, you look at il, elle, on. We use the same terminaison, this one. Okay? Now, for the pronunciation, you see this A, this, this one, this one, this, and this sound the same. You get confused. It sound the same. Only this one sound different. Now, when we read, you're gonna see, okay? You guys are gonna see. So here we have, this is the one I show you guys, la terminaison. Here I break them down in case you don't get it when the way I show you guys. So this is the easy way to get it because we have some student fast learner, the other student slow learner. So I have to show you guys in a different way. Maybe the way I show you guys is easier for you. Maybe the other guys not easy for them. Okay? Here we have verbe parler. Je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle, on parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle, elle parle. So when you look at the terminaison, this is the one. Okay? This is the one. Okay? Okay? So all these sound the same. This. All this. This. And this sound the same. Sound the same, except this one. Nous parlons. So, je parle. Tu parles. Il parle. Elle parle. On parle. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Il parle. Elle parle. Okay? Here we have les phrases et les exemples. Je parle lingala. Igor et moi, on parle anglais. On, in this case, is like nous. Au Canada, on parle français et anglais. On, in this case here, is like en général. Again, je parle lingala. Igor et moi, on parle anglais. On égale nous. Au Canada, on parle français et anglais. On égale en général. So, je parle lingala. Lingala is the language they speak in Congo, Kinshasa. Okay? Igor et moi, virgule, on parle anglais. Au Canada, virgule, on parle français et anglais. So when you are reading, you don't need to say virgule, no. Je parle lingala. Igor et moi, on parle anglais. Au Canada, on parle français et anglais. Abby parle sango. Justin, Kevin et René parlent anglais. Justine, Kevin et René parlent anglais. Nous parlons avec nos amis. Nous parlons avec nos amis. Joséphine, Pauline et Hélène parlent très bien Kikongo. Okay? One more time. Abby parle sango. Justin, Kevin et René parlent anglais. So here we don't pronounce this. Silent. We don't pronounce it. Justine, Kevin et René parlent anglais. This is silent. You don't pronounce this. You don't pronounce this. You don't pronounce this. Anglais. You don't pronounce this. Silent. Nous parlons. Silent. Nous parlons. Long. Silent. Avec nos enfants, nos amis. here obligatoire, liaison. Nos amis, silent, we don't pronounce it. Quand on silent, c'est-à-dire, il y a nous parlons avec nos amis. So here, liaison obligatoire, nos amis, silent, silent, we don't pronounce it. Nous parlons avec nos amis. So this one become like za, nos amis. Okay? Joséphine, Pauline et this one silent, Hélène parlaient très bien du Congo. Hein? Je regarde, tu regardes, il regarde, elle regarde, on regarde, nous regardons, vous regardez, il regarde, elle regarde. Okay? So, je regarde, tu regardes, il regarde, elle regarde, on regarde, nous regardons, vous regardez, il regarde, elle regarde. These one are silent. We don't pronounce this. Silent, silent, silent. Okay? So, the only thing when we pronounce is a little bit different is here. Nous. Nous regardons. Okay? Now, when I teach you guys, when we're gonna focus on the verb, you have to remember this part of nous. Nous, because when I don't want to get out of my topic, but when we do, when I teach you guys imparfait, you need to know this part because some of the part we borrowed here and then we cut it and we create imparfait. But I don't want to get out of my topic. Just want to stay here just to give you guys an idea, not right now, okay? So, je regarde la télé. Notre fille regarde la télévision. Hulin et Karen regardent un film. Mon fils regarde les oiseaux. Je regarde moi. Je me regarde. So, when you take a look, we have here, je regarde la télé. That's another way of saying television. So we just cut it here and then la télé. Je regarde la télé. Notre fille regarde la télévision. Guylain et Karine regardent un film. So this one is silent. It's just the pronunciation is it's the same like this one. Mon fils regarde les oiseaux. So here we can link it, les oiseaux. Je regarde moi. Wrong. This one, wrong. Je me regarde. Correct. Okay? Je mange, tu manges, il mange, elle mange, on mange, nous mangeons, vous mangez, il mange, elle mange. So you have to be careful here. This part. You're gonna hear the verb such as avancer, commencer. Okay? So here, instead of saying nous mangeons, no. So we have nous mangeons. So je mange, tu manges, silent. Il mange, elle mange, on mange, nous mangeons, vous mangez, il mange, this one silent. Il mange, this one silent. Elle mange, this one silent, silent, and silent, and silent. So this il, and this il, the pronunciation is the same. Same. This S is a silent. So this L and L, the pronunciation is the same. Okay? This L, and this L is the pronunciation the same. This one silent. Don't pronounce that S. Okay? However, in the case of sometimes when we link it, liaison obligatoire, and then we're gonna make the liaison obligatoire. In case, let's say you have verb avoir, you have to link it. Okay? So this is the one. Nous. So here, when you take a look, we have avançons. Nous a become like this. Nous avançons. You see this one like this sound as S. Okay? Nous avançons. Here we have, this is verb avancer. This verb is commencer. Nous commençons. Because this sound as S, when we put this O, become nous commençons. This one and this silent. Nous voyageons. So this one, the way it sound, remember, it's like verb manger at the end of it. Okay, so just to give you guys a warning, that way you understand, you know. Mon verbe, ou est un verbe, ou un verbe avancer, ou un verbe commencer, ou un verbe voyager. Je mange un gâteau. Je mange une pomme. Hervé mange une pomme. Nous mangeons au restaurant. Guylain et Kevin mangent à midi. So that's why I end up putting this like, have an idea, okay? Okay, so, je mange un gâteau. Je mange une pomme. Hervé mange une pomme. Nous mangeons au restaurant. Guylain et Kevin mangent à midi. So this one silent, okay? This one also silent. This one sound like O. Nous mangeons au restaurant, okay? Here we have a verbe écouter. J'écoute, tu écoutes, elle écoute, il écoute, elle écoute, on écoute, nous écoutons, vous écoutez, ils écoutent, elles écoutent. So you can make liaison. So here we have liaison. J'écoute, this liaison. J'écoute, tu écoutes. This one silent, but you write it. Il écoute. If you want to link it, it's okay. Elle écoute. On link it. On écoute. Nous écoutons. Silent. Vous écoutez. Silent. Ils écoutent. This one silent. Elles écoutent. This one silent. This one become like Z. Okay? Okay? So, this one, like, to give you guys an idea. So, j'écoute la radio. J'écoute de la musique. Nous écoutons les professeurs. Nous écoutons la professeure. Nous écoutons la professeure. Kevin et Abby écoutent attentivement. Okay? So, here we can link it. J'écoute la radio. J'écoute de la musique. Nous écoutons les professeurs. This one is a male teacher. Vous écoutez nous écoutons la professeure. The feminine. Okay? Here, it's changed a little bit. In the past, it was okay many years ago. Nous écoutons la professeure. Kevin et Abby écoutent attentivement. So, one more time. J'écoute la radio. J'écoute de la musique. Nous écoutons le professeur. Nous écoutons la professeure. Nous écoutons la professeure. Kevin et Abby écoutent attentivement. Okay? Verbe aimer. Here we have verb. It can be like love or j'aime. Tu aimes. Il aime. Elle aime. On aime. Nous aimons. Vous aimez. Ils aiment. Elles aiment. So, here we link it. J'aime. Tu aimes. Silent. Link au loba toujours prononcer en côté. Ici. Silent, ok? Donc, tu n'as pas besoin de prononcer ça, non. Ici, c'est comme miwe. You don't need to pronounce this, ok? Donc, j'aime. Tu aimes. Il aime. Elle aime. On aime. Ici, on fait la liaison, hein? On aime. Nous aimons. Vous aimez. Ils aiment. Elles aiment. Donc ici, c'est la liaison obligatoire. Here, you don't need to pronounce it. Silent. 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 So, j'aime. Tu aimes. Il aime. Elle aime. On aime. Nous aimons. Silent. Nous aimons. Vous aimez. Vous aimez. Silent. Ils aiment. Elles aiment. OK? Ici, phrase et les exemples. J'aime le gâteau. J'aime René. Ma patronne aime le chocolat. Gulin aime lire. So, j'aime, linked, j'aime les. Silent, you don't need to pronounce it. J'aime le gâteau. Okay? J'aime René. René is a female noun. Ma patronne aime le chocolat. So here, instead of us repeating patron, we can just say elle aime le chocolat. So elle is patron, this one. Gulin aime lire. Gulin is il, because the femme is a masculine noun, okay? Abby et Kevin aiment le flair. Elles aiment le flair. J'aime mon chat. J'aime ma femme. J'aime Los Angeles. J'aime la musique. Abby et Kevin aiment le flair. Elles aiment le flair. J'aime mon chat. J'aime ma femme. J'aime Los Angeles. J'aime la musique. Okay? So, Abby, Kevin, Echo, elles. Elles aiment le flair. So we link it. Liaison obligatoire. J'aime mon chat. J'aime ma femme. We link it. Liaison. J'aime Los Angeles. Or you can also say j'aime Chicago. J'aime Paris. J'aime Bruxelles. J'aime Kinshasa. J'aime Bangui. J'aime Brazzaville. J'aime Pékin. J'aime la musique. Okay? Or you can also say j'aime Tokyo. Ici, on a le verbe téléphoner. Je téléphone, tu téléphones. Silent here. Il téléphone, elle téléphone, on téléphone, nous téléphonons. Vous téléphonez, téléphone, elle téléphone. So ici, silent, 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 silent. The only difference for pronunciation is right here. The rest of this, and this, the pronunciation the same. And this one, you see this one here? This. And this. And this, the pronunciation, my friends, is the same pronunciation. Don't get confused. It's the same. The rest of these are the pronoun, the pronom sujet. This, the pronunciation, when I say je téléphone, tu téléphones, il téléphone, elle téléphone, on téléphone, il téléphone, elle téléphone, the pronunciation is the same. Here, téléphone, téléphone. That's the only difference. Okay? Now, je téléphone à Paul. Je téléphone à mon ami. Okay? Point virgule. I mean, point. Point. Nous téléphonons à nos parents. Nous téléphonons à nos frères. Nous téléphonons à nos sœurs. Kevin et Justin téléphone chaque soir. So ici, le verbe. So you guys do this. You have to correct this. Because here, you have to know. Because we have Kevin et Justin. So remember, we have this at the end. Huh? So all you have to do, write Kevin et Justin téléphone chaque soir. So you write it here. Okay? It's easy. So you just gonna have to write Kevin. Okay? You write Kevin. Huh? Et. Huh? Huh? Now write telephone. You write this. You see like this one? You write it right there. Write telephone and then you put this at the end because one, when you look at the terminaison, it's the same. If I go back, I'm gonna show you guys. If I go back, it's the same terminaison. Same, no change. You see this one here? You see a terminaison here? It's the same. Same thing you have to write. Okay? So I let you guys do that. Okay? You do it this one. Okay? Okay? So what you have to do? Okay? Okay? You write this, okay? Okay? Chaque. Write this one. Par. Okay? Si. L'interrogation, le phrase et les exemples. Okay? So, vous parlez lingala? Vous habitez au Canada? Est-ce que René travaille? J'aime. When you look at it, only three. We have only three sentences that Vous parlez Lingala is a question. Vous habitez au Canada, a question. Est-ce que René travaille? This one is not a question. Okay? It's not a question. It's in just, it's like a form, it's like an affirmative, this one. J'aime. So, these three questions. Vous parlez Lingala? Vous, here we link it. Vous habitez au Canada? Est-ce que René travaille? This René is a female. Okay? It's a woman. So, you're going to look at in negative way. La négation, le phrase et les exemples. N devient N devant une voyelle ou H, miwe. Okay? So you have to watch out for this. Okay? When we put in a negative form. So ici, on a non. Vous ne parlez pas Lingala. Non. Vous n'habitez pas au Canada. Non. René ne travaille pas. Je n'aime pas. Okay? So when you take a look, we have ici, on a non. Vous ne parlez pas Lingala. Or you can also say non, vous ne parlez pas français. Non, vous ne parlez pas Kikongo. Non, vous ne parlez pas langue et vous ne parlez pas anglais. Non, vous ne parlez pas japonais. OK? Ici, on a non, vous n'a. Ici, we link it. Non, vous n'habitez pas au Canada. This one silent, silent. Non, vous n'habitez pas au Canada. Non, René ne travaille pas. Je n'aime pas.
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it up. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot.